Oh.
Okay, so we have to remove.
How could we do this?
Oh, I have an idea.
What? Oh.
And then we go to the other side, or some. There. 15 minutes later, I'm still at this box. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode at our channel. I'm Arjun.
I'm Krishna.
Today we're going to be checking out this thing that looks like Lego but isn't. It has parts.
Yeah.
Well, not every part, but it has like a motor. It has a motor, like battery case thingy here, gears, axles, and we can make contraptions like this walker and this robot. This is in Chinese and yeah.
But Arjun, how can we solve the instructions? That's because the instructions are in Chinese. You do not know Chinese. That's because you learned a little bit of Chinese.
No, I didn't learn Chinese. Well, kind of. What, like, I don't know, like a few years ago. We will just see how the instructions are like. Maybe they're like the classic ones where they show part on how it's supposed to go like. Let's jump in.
Let's get started.
We're gonna be doing the unboxing in this episode, and in the next episode, we're gonna build something.
Do activity like that.
There.
Oh, so we.
Okay, first thing I open the box and it's badly packaged. Let's see. This one. Interesting white. There, if you look carefully, motor. Here is bag 1. I'm gonna call it parts with red and blue. Gears.
Wow.
This is a power unit. Battery case. Bag 3.
Yeah, which
This is
the
out of
picture
order.
had. This one, a power
Bag 2. And which bag is this?
Oh, there's a human that looks.
There's a brick here, so I'm gonna call this bag brick. So we have bag 1.
Oh look, we got a Lego person.
Nice. So we have bag 1, bag 2, bag.
We also got this.
Oh, thank you. And an instruction manual. So what do we got here? So we have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag brick,
Yeah.
motor, power unit, person. This looks familiar. And rubber bands. They don't look like the classic rubber bands. Whatever.
Yeah.
Let's see
Yeah.
one of the instructions. Okay. Here. Oh, it's like this. They lay out the parts and show you how to put them. Nice. Well, I'm just stumped, so I will just see how, like, I'll just lay out the parts, then put them together in the order that they told me, and we'll see how it goes. See you in the next episode. Bye.